Volvo Auto India has announced that the new generation S60 will be finally heading to our market next year. The Swedish automaker will commence accepting bookings for the new Volvo S60 in January, with the launch slated in March 2021. Globally, the all-new S60 was launched 2 years ago and received a host of changes, including the brand's new signature design language with a wider grille, Thor's Hammer LED DRLs, restyled C-shaped LED taillights, and new alloy wheels. The new generation car will also drop the diesel engine and will be offered only with the 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol motor that develops 160 brake horsepower and 300 Nm of peak torque. Volvo India has also confirmed that it will be stepping in the electric mobility segment next year and will launch the XC40 Recharge all-electric SUV in 2021. The Honda Activa completes 20 years of sales in India, and to celebrate this significant milestone, the company has introduced a new special edition version of the scooter. The Honda Activa 6G 20th Anniversary Edition is priced at 66,816 rupees for the standard variant and 68,316 rupees for the deluxe variant. All prices are ex-showroom Gurugram. Compared to the standard version, the special edition model commands a premium of 2,000 rupees. The Activa Anniversary Edition comes with 2 new color options, Matte Mature Brown and Pearl Night Star Black. The scooter also gets new blacked out alloy wheels, golden and silver decals, and a 3D Activa badge finished in gold. There are no mechanical changes to the scooter that received a comprehensive upgrade earlier this year. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is looking to set rules to register vintage cars, bikes and scooters in the country. The ministry is seeking comments and suggestions with regards to the amendment of the Central Motor Vehicles Regulation 1989 relating to vintage motor vehicles. The idea is to formalize the registration process of vintage vehicles. The draft rules define vintage motor vehicles like 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers that are for personal use and are more than 50 years old from the date of their first registration. If approved, a 10-digit alphanumeric number will be assigned to each vintage vehicle, and this registration will be valid for a period of 10 years. The fees for new registrations will be 20,000 rupees and a subsequent re-registration will cost 5,000 rupees. The government is inviting suggestions before the final rules are notified.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.